Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. On my monitoring spirit, they call Daily Mail, don't come outside and let us know, say, if Arsenal won't sign this Dominic Calvert-Lewin, the reason we make Everton get confidence in talking, they go fee accept that kind of 50 to 60 million pounds. They say Dominic Calvert-Lewin still get like 3 years for a contract, so you can put Everton for the pole position to negotiate with strength. You get, if you say the guy get maybe like 1 year remaining or maybe 1.5 years, it would be easy for Arsenal to price the guy away with that kind of 30 million pounds. But as long as he still gets up to 3 years, and then go there for the driver's seat for the negotiation, because they don't get any reason to sell. Nobody see them for financial crisis again. When I Arsenal, I need to buy strikers. So now I will come talk to you, okay, now we need to spend big. And truly, if Arsenal fit spend 50 million pounds to buy a defender, why they not go fit spend that kind of same money to buy a proven striker for EPL where everybody know we get presence, we score half chance, no person no fit score at all. So I don't know how that they see this one, whether the money too much, I'll be okay. You're right, don't come outside. You're right, now one of our legends, so come outside, come they criticize Odegaard for his role for that Manchester United defeat. So Baba can talk say Odegaard play like a small picking or that. They say, how can you make that kind of tackle? Say the guy no really see where Fred dey, because number one, you won't make tackle, you know time am, you don't even make sure say your leg touch ball. At least if you say Odegaard leg touch that ball, Matt Atkinson no go come blow say na penalty, they no go turn am for VAR. So for Matt Atkinson mindset, if you say VAR no even dey, that ball no go be penalty because the guy already blow say no penalty. Because VAR come say, oga, you don't look that thing well, go look am again. So that's why I say Odegaard made a very big mistake, and that is why we can't chop our 3-2 loss. If not, if it no happen like that, well, we just cry over spilled milk. It don't happen, so it don't happen. We just forgive Odegaard with that. On my monitoring spirit that they call London Evening Standard, don't come outside, they let us know, say Arsenal, they highly interested in signing Lille striker, what they call Jonathan David. This Jonathan David now helped Lille go on where they come win league last season. It's not really win French league ahead of PSG. In with Burak Yilmaz, and then they busted for that place. Well, we're happy with the guy, we know when they play, and we're happy with our own hierarchy with the scout strikers. Because why are they happy? So they interested in different strikers. We have Vlahovic, we have Isaac, we have Jonathan David, we have Lanis Stoika, we have Noah, all those guys strikers. Are they happy? Because it means say the pains the fans they feel, they feel say we supposed to get proven striker. It means say Arteta, Edu Gaspar, and Richard Garlick, all of them say they feel that pain. Say Arsenal needs striking reinforcement, either direct wingers or number 9. So we need them. That is why we are linked to all these players. That's why they give me joy originally. Which means by January, I expect 1 or 2 fresh faces for our squad. Well, I will be very happy if all these things materialize. When you know, say we just dey linked to players for no reason. At the end of the day, we don't go buy anyone. No, that one no go make sense. But we just buy at least 1 or 2. Our John Barnes, will be football pundit, don't come as I call the talk, say despite the loss where Arsenal lose against Liverpool and lose against Man U, say Arsenal still dey in a very healthy place. You get, say all they need to do now to just calm down, believe in themselves. Say that they're very nice, this crop of players, and they get another advantage where most big teams no get. They know they go Europe, so that they focused on just the league, solely focused on the league. So if they can play very well, the way they play, continue keep the momentum, see they go far. You get, you see this top 4, they can enter it, they go still go Europe again. All they need to do is calm down. I don't know how I take see Baba the talk. For me, the only reason we're going to make us enter that Europe will depend on our January. If we sign better player for that January, then it will make sense, because you know if you carry the same crop of players as they suffer with Aubameyang and they suffer with Lacazette, once you carry them again alone, can go play the rest of the season, and when you can look for January now, that same Aubameyang same no go dey. Pepe will be another person, don't Pepe their Benjamin members, but that one same no go dey. So I don't know as what they be. So make Arteta be one kind of radical manager. You get, make you no secret cow. As Aubameyang the flop, put him on the Benjamin. Start Martinelli for top 9. Start him for top 9. If you don't get confidence in Lacazette, say okay, make Lacazette play top 9. Start Martinelli there, make him play 9. Even Pepe sef, think of another formation wey you go take accommodate Pepe. I don't know, Pepe dey shine before last season now, so wetin come stop this time around? Shey na the new formation, na the new tactics. Look for somehow wey go fit modify this guy gameplay, because e be like say the guy dey suffer from lack of confidence. So give am confidence, make him come outside come play. I just sit down yesterday, just dey think say, what can we do to bring Pepe back to life? The thing just dey burst my brain. I don't know how we fit answer that one. At the same time, Kevin Campbell don come outside and talk say for Arsenal midfield, say the only thing wey dem go fit buy when e play and when you know say go make sense for them, say make dem go buy Renato Sanchez of Lille. So wetin make I like this guy be say the guy dey create, the guy na powerhouse, na box to box, dey run up and down, he can create chances, he can score goals, he can fight with the ball, he can run with the ball. So the guy na professional midfielder wey you know. Say check out that Sambi Lokonga na against Liverpool, Arsenal gats remove am to protect am because dem dey bully am for that midfield. So if you dey partner this guy Renato Sanchez with Partey, say e go a long way, because no how. We know say midfield no be our top priority, but we still need to fix that midfield. But the top priority now na be the striking department, so make we know wetin we dey do for that place. Like as I just talk now, this Pepe issue, I don't know how una take see am. Make una let me know for the comment section. Wetin una think say Arsenal fit do for this Pepe to bring this guy back to life? This thing na something we say e don enter my head. I wan just put am for una head also. Make una let me know wetin una think about this matter. Martin Keown don come outside come dey talk about this Kylian Tierney issue. So Baba come dey talk say this one wey be say Arteta no dey start Kylian Tierney again. Say for him, when he dey feel say maybe something already sup for training ground, maybe Arteta and Tierney don get one kind issue, because there is no way wey be say you go talk say a deputy come dey better than number one. Well, we already know what Tierney can bring to the table. So wetin I no just understand, abi shey is he picking Tavares based on current form, abi dem get issue? Say he want clarity on this thing, because we no really understand how Tierney come dey surplus to requirements now, come go below the pecking order. So even though after the loss against Liverpool, a lot of people dey feel say okay, they go draft in Tierney, make him come back. We no see Tierney. So even against Manchester United, we dey hope say okay, we go see Tierney. The way wey he take put El Neni ahead of Sambi Lokonga, they expect say okay, maybe he go put Tierney ahead of Tavares. We just still see that one. So people got dey ask questions. So I don't know. What do you think now about this way Baba dey talk? Say that's something dey sup between Tierney and Arteta. Our Paul Scholes wey be Manchester United legend don come outside come dey talk about that De Gea goal wey Emile Smith Rowe score and wey De Gea just fall. So Baba come dey talk say De Gea no supposed to fall like that. Say if to say dem give am elbow for face now, you go dey understandable say okay, the thing affect him face. No be say dem give you small kick for leg, he come fall, come turn, he no come face goal, they come score you. Wetin you dey expect? Referee no blow, you dey fall down like that. You think say referee go blow? So back on the top plenty say the guy no do well as him take fall like that. So I don't know how that thing see. All of us have done talk the same thing. Say the guy he just want try to con the referee. If you check them after him fall, when referee never decide on wetin go sup, they come dey stretch him leg, they stretch him shoulder, they stretch him face. Because they look everything, just chill, they watch. At the end of the day, referee do pee. And then one gather referee. They just get lucky, they no lose. If they say they lose, that De Gea goal go be one of the most talked about thing wey happen for the night of football. But because they win, everybody don sweep am under the carpet and nobody dey talk about am again. But at the same time, Henry come outside come dey criticize Arteta. So Henry come dey talk say, he say Henry na our legend. So Baba come dey talk say he no understand how Arteta dey think. How can you have 15 minutes to go, 10 minutes to go? You gonna comot your talisman, your capitan, wey be Aubameyang, you gonna comot am, gonna put another person. And you know say na that your capitan that's supposed to score for you. That be your talisman, that be your symbol, that be your icon. You gonna comot am. Wetin dey comot am for? So say who go come score? I don't know. E be like say if somebody don be legend now, e come make am dey feel say anything wey he talk na him be the truth. You supposed to take am hook, line and sinker. We're not supposed to argue with am. Shey Henry no know say Aubameyang we even dey talk say he no even supposed to start in the first place. We call dey criticize Arteta say wetin make dem comot am. Some people even dey talk say Arteta no even comot am early enough. So you call dey complain say why they even comot am at all. Some no go understand where he dey come from. Say this man he dey sabotage our progress. I mean like the way we dey. You know say Henry get his own agenda. Make una no forget. Henry go like make we even dey suffer so that Kroenke house will come back again, so that Daniel Ek will return back to the table, so that they will sell Arsenal, give Daniel Ek, and if they sell Arsenal, give Daniel Ek, there's possibility say they go sack Arteta, they become drafting Vieira. You know all these kind of conspiracy theories, they fly all around town. So Henry go dey happy say we dey lose so that a friend go come take over Arsenal. If you are sensible enough, if you know what you are doing, you can't be questioning Arteta say why he comot Aubameyang. Instead, you supposed to dey ask am why you no comot am early enough or why you no play am in the first place. I don't understand whether una dey think, go the angle why they think. No, let me know for the comment section. What you think about this way Henry dey talk? Say why Arteta comot Aubameyang 10 to 15 minutes to go. So he's supposed to leave and make him finish the match, make him score. I want to score. Person dey miss chance, half chance, no score, full chance, no score. I want to score. Come on, I don't understand. Bakary Sagna don come outside in the midst of all the talk wey we dey talk about Arsenal. Baba come dey chook him, come dey talk say the reason wey make am leave Arsenal for 2014 na because Arsenal no want am. I no just understand this man sef. Shey na now be the right time wey go dey tell us all this kind one. We dey talk about how to bring Arsenal forward. Dey tell us say the reason wey make him leave na because they no want you for 2014. Who tell you say they no want you? I be wrong woman City so that I go collect better money. You dey find trophy, okay? You don win the trophy now. Come collect. No be this one we dey talk about now. Tell us how you go take help Arsenal, make Arsenal buy better players, and that one we dey now. So my dear football lovers, na here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today na the first time wey dey see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.